Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'm going to compare ClickUp and Monday.com. If you will find this video useful, you can support me by just clicking down below on links and registering through them. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to talk about is pricing. Then I will talk about the features, what they offer and what they don't offer. Then I will compare what I like and what I don't like. And that's probably it. So let's start. First of all, both of these programs or products are really similar. There are not a lot of differences if you would be comparing Notion with ClickUp, only because both of these are for project management, mainly project management. But still, ClickUp pricing and Monday.com pricing. I would use ClickUp. If I would be alone and you would want to use it for personal projects, go with the ClickUp, only because you get a free account that you can play around with. So you can also add users there if you want to, and that's really good. And you get also 100 megabytes storage there. So Monday.com offers only free trial. Yes, ClickUp offers also free trial, but they don't offer free account that you can use. After 14-day free trial, you need to choose Basic, Standard, Pro, or Enterprise version. Now, if I would compare the features and also comparing to the pricing, again, ClickUp is winning here. Only because, as you can see, they got $5 a month annually. And standard version or even basic version is $9. This is $12 a month. And those features are really similar. Even if you would compare it by yourself, the progress, the time tracking, the tags, everything that's the same in ClickUp. They're copy pasted in some way. Then you can also add view here, like board, calendar, the Kanban board in ClickUp, mind map, table. I like to use table. That's my favorite thing. Timeline beta. And then in projects in Monday.com, also, if I would add view here and more views, you get files, charts, which are awesome in Monday.com. And this is something that you can really use with your team if you want to. And you can chart type, adding here things. That's perfect. So both of these programs are really good. And I'm not going to say that only one is better than other, but okay, let's continue. What I like about ClickUp, ClickUp has a dark theme. This is something that's damn. Yes, they are saying on Monday.com, but I couldn't use it, couldn't find it, how we can activate the dark theme. Now, another thing in Monday.com is winning here is this. ClickUp mobile app is not that great. You can see it right here. Android app has a lot of problems. And this is something you need to keep in mind, that ClickUp, all right, the desktop is awesome, but with the mobile right now you will have some problems. Maybe in the future you won't, but this is it. So yeah, about the features, as I mentioned, they are similar. Yes, you have progress here. Then you get simply time tracking. When I'm going to open my task in a ClickUp, I can simply start time tracking and I can see it right here. In Monday.com, it's literally the same. I can go to, not chart, but main table. More columns. I can write here time tracking. Add to board. And as you can see, I can track the session, right? And that's pretty much it. So there's both of these. I would recommend for long-term using ClickUp, definitely, comparing to Monday.com, but it's me. Also, it's cheaper, and those features are not that different comparing between these two. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.